Hey everyone, check out the OKP Life K5 Pro 2-in-1 Robot Vacuum and Mop with powerful 5,000 PA suction for spotless floors. This smart vacuum uses intelligent zigzag navigation to clean your home 30% more efficiently than random path models. It features advanced obstacle avoidance sensors that detect objects just 4 centimeters away, preventing collisions. The new mop holder lets you attach disposable wet facial wipes for easy mopping without the hassle of washing cloths. Control the vacuum remotely using the app or voice commands through Alexa and Google Home with 5 cleaning modes available. It comes with a 550 milliliter dustbin, side brushes, and a high-efficiency filter to keep your space clean and fresh. Experience convenient and thorough cleaning with the OKP Life K5 Pro, designed for hard floors and pet hair. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.